Yeah, what is it? Hamster. Wait a minute, that's a giraffe. Bird. 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 Where's that? I am trying to find it. I am trying to find it.
What is that noise, Merlin?
Yes. I found it. Yes.
Merlin!
Yes.
Merlin, what's that noise, baby?
I have found it. Wait, it's not back here.
What's that noise, Merlin?
Wait. Is this it? What is this?
What's that noise?
Oh, wait.
Merlin!
What is this?
Merlin!
If this was out of the way, maybe I could get to it. Oh, here it is. Okay. There it is.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
I'm trying to get at it. Oh man. What is this? What is this? Okay.
Oh, he's messing with the phone, y'all. I better grab the cordless phone.
Oh. Thank you, woman.
98.
Let's see.
Oh, whoop.
Okay. Okay.
What is it, boy? Here, let me put this on.
Woman, hello, I am trying to find this.
Merlin! Merlin!
Yes.
Merlin!
Yes.
Oh man, we got that test soon. Oh, I better make this quick because he's gonna go crazy when the radio goes off.
What is this?
Where's the bird, Merlin?
Is it back here? Oh no, wait, that's it.
Oh man! Oh my gosh! Very.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is Oh, yes. Wait a minute, it's not big here.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah.
What is that, Merlin? Merlin! What's the matter, baby?
Oh dear Lord. How many? Okay.
Y'all, this is my cat Merlin. He's trying to find out where the birds are at. He's looking at the guinea pigs.
Okay. Okay. I gotta get this one. Oh my lord.
This is my...
Oh dear.
Oh my god. This is so funny.
What is this? Oh dear.
You are just so cute, Merlin, aren't you, baby?
Oh dear. Oh, don't do that.
What is it, Merlin?
Oh dear. Oh dear. I think I got it now. Someone get me off of here. Thank you.
Oh my lord, this is hilarious.
What is this?
Okay, that's enough of that.
Oh yes. Hi. Thank you for viewing my channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button on the channel. I was waiting to do this video for a very long time. I thought it would give you some laughs. I enjoy making people laugh when they're going through a hard time. If you are that person, please give a comment in the section below. May the Lord bless you and keep you. And let me tell you something. He loves it when we laugh. He loves it when we smile. May this video bless you and be a blessing to you. Have a great night, y'all. Bye-bye.